Every revolutionary idea begins with a question. For artificial intelligence, the question was simple: can a machine think? But behind that simplicity lies the most powerful transformation of the 21st century.
Humans have always dreamt of creating beings that could mimic life. From ancient myths of mechanical servants in Greek tales to science fiction stories of thinking robots, the desire to create intelligence outside the human mind was born long before the computer existed. In 1950, the legendary mathematician Alan Turing posed a now famous question: can machines think? This became the philosophical foundation of AI. The birth of AI as a field happened in 1956 at a workshop at Dartmouth College, USA. Four pioneers, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, officially proposed that human intelligence could be described in such a way that a machine could simulate it. From this seed, AI began to grow, slowly then rapidly, as computing power, data, and research evolved. AI's journey has many heroes. Alan Turing, who laid the theoretical base; John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence; Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of deep learning; and companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and IBM, who pushed boundaries and turned AI from theory to real-world magic. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation. Dreaming of safer, human-aligned AI, he co-founded OpenAI. Under Sam Altman's leadership, OpenAI turned those dreams into global breakthroughs like GPT. It's really reasons language and attention closer when etiquette pool. And then there's Denis Hassabis' DeepMind. He showcased AI's power and AlphaFold. These weren't just tech models, we were proof of AI's vast potential. Fei-Fei Li and Angie Ensch. They made sure AI became accessible, global, and inclusive. This isn't just a start in their technology. It's a tribute to bold imagination, relentless research, ethical responsibility, and we bow with respect, inspired by their legacy. This series is a journey for the world to understand AI, its origin, its power, and its future. AI is not just a technology, it's a tool for solving problems too big for us alone. AI helps doctors detect diseases early. It predicts natural disasters. It assists the disabled. It protects wildlife. It makes education accessible. AI, when aligned with human values, is not a threat, it is hope. We created AI, now it's time we guide it with wisdom, because the future of AI is the future of humanity.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of AI.